Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another amazing episode of Life Made Easy. I'm not wearing glasses on this one, I'm wearing contact lenses, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can screen record on your Android device in 2020. I know this is built into iPhones, and I'm pretty sure on the latest Android update that they're coming out with. I'm not too sure if they have it on the latest version or it's the one they're coming out with, that they're implementing this new feature like built into the OS like itself, like it's going to be native on phones. However, right now on most Android devices, you actually have to deal with this issue and download a third-party app. So I'm actually going to be going over this on my phone. I'm actually going to be, the app I'm going to be showing you is the app I'm using in this video, kind of ironically. But this one is, well, I'm going to be putting it up on screen like right here-ish, so you can actually follow along with what I'm doing. So as I said, there's no native way to do this. Currently, I'm rocking a S9 on One UI 1.0. I have still not received the update for Android 10 and One UI 2. I think they're on like 2.1 or something right now, but still don't have it. So what you want to do is go over to the Play Store right here, and then you want to install the one that says Screen Recorder and Video Recorder by InShot Incorporated. It's the one with like 50 million. I'm sorry. How many downloads does this have? It has 100 million downloads. And to be fair, all of these are very similar. This is just the one I use, and it's pretty convenient. I'm not going to lie. Like, this has never let me down. It's got 4.7 out of 5 stars. So it's a reliable app. And then let me actually go into the app itself, if I can find it, called X Recorder. So let me just make sure I'm still recording. Okay, I'm good. And then in here, this is the main gist of the app. It's very, very simple to use. You don't even have to tweak anything if you don't want. It's all up to you. As you can see, I did a recording yesterday at 1080p. It was 198 megabytes, so pretty big file size, not gonna lie, but you can go into settings and adjust everything. Like right now, I toned down the resolution just because I don't want big file sizes for when I'm editing and stuff like that. I want to be able to transfer files very quickly because I value time over resolution. And it's such a marginal difference, especially when recording a phone screen. Quality, I've set auto, 30 FPS. Orientation auto, so it'll switch between portrait and landscape depending on how I'm holding my phone, which is great. And then it's like where to save all your stuff, and basically you can go through here, tweak all the settings you want. I currently have the microphone off just because I don't want or actually I think I have record audio on right now. By Android, use microphone to record. I'll probably just mute it, but yeah, I don't want my voice being picked up from the mic and my phone as well. But once you go from here, you load the app, and then you go to your home screen, and then a little icon will pop up on the right hand side. You click that, and then there'll be some options, and then one of them will be a big red circle record button. It'll be like 3, 2, 1, and then everything you do on your phone, it'll start recording from then on out. So it's very easy to use. I mean, this isn't complicated by no means, but it's a very useful app, and it saves it right to your phone location. Then you can email that file to yourself. You can transfer it between devices. It makes it very, very seamless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Hope you found it useful. I mean, this is pretty easy for the most part. However, a lot of people still don't know how to actually do this. And I've been using this to do some of my videos. So yeah, stay tuned for future content on Life Made Easy. Hit that bell notification, and yeah, be the first one to check out my videos when they actually go live. So peace out, guys. See you in the next one.